Yeah, what up? What up? So, check this out. Welcome back, first and foremost, and I appreciate everybody who's been subscribing to my channel, actually leaving good comments down there, asking about the strategy I use. Very simple. A lot of people in my Telegram group, a couple guys, they're in there. They can't believe it's this simple. Um, a couple people have asked me what's my win ratio, and what I tell them is, man, take the strategy and back test it, because your eyes are different from my eyes. I can give you the same strategy, but my win rate might be 75%, and your win rate might be 45, 50, or maybe even 100% or 90%, whatever the case may be. It's all about taking the strategy that I give, plain and simple, and back testing, forward testing, and back testing the most. All right. So with that being said, let's go ahead and jump into it. Pull this up. All right, so I got this blank chart up here. So I've had a few questions exactly, support and resistance and what indicators I use. So first and foremost, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to indicators up here, right? And we're gonna type in SME. Oh, I'm sorry, SMA. All right, we're gonna go down to simple moving average. And I tell you, I'm going to repetition is key. Repetition, repetition, repetition. I'm going to go through this every single video. All right. Ain't nothing going to change. I'm not going to give you 8,000 different indicators and 8,000 different strategies. When I found this, I'm going to spread the word. All right. Simple moving average by stocks and box. All right. See all these things that come up. You're going to go to the little wheel. Go to inputs first. You see the 20 on SMA1. Unclick all these. Unclick all these. We going Barney style, back to the beginning. Barney style. All right. So I'm gonna come up here, and I like it yellow. So this the thickness right here. All right, yellow. We got the thickness right there. All right. The second indicator. You only need two for these. Type in ATR. Average true range. The first one. I got it favorited, but you can go to under technicals. Average true range. Go down to the box down here. Right here. Make sure it's the 5-period ATR. All right. This is the daily time frame so far, right? This is on the daily time frame. All right. So what we're going to do is let's go down here and I'm going to show you. Screenshot this if you have to. Screenshot this. All right. Wash your wrist. Ensure you back test on any market you wish to trade. Let's say that again. Back test on any market you wish to trade. And forward test or whatever they say. All right. Everybody say you stay on the charts and you practice. You ain't gonna get no better. This is a different market. I beg to differ. You know why I beg to differ? Is because the more you practice on something, the more your eyes get accustomed to seeing what it sees, and you get out the matrix and you can see exactly your setup like that. All right. That's why when you learn these things on a daily time frame, you can see the strategy setting up like clockwork, because on a daily time frame, price action is a lot slower. Now, if you can't be profitable on a daily time frame, you're not going to be profitable on a smaller time frame. So look, wait for the price to break above the first the 20-period moving average. Two candle lows must plot completely above the moving average to give a trading signal. Two candle lows, and I know you like, what? Two candle lows? Why is that for a buy? I'm gonna show you here in a second. Matter of fact, let's go over here. Let's use this one. All right, look, it broke above. Here's your 1, 2, two candle lows for a buy. Why is it two candle lows? Because it's two candle lows down here. All right, this is highs, this is low. I know this is not here because hindsight, but two candle lows. This is lower than where you think it's about to go. Plain and simple. All right. Two candle lows must plot completely above the moving average to give a trading signal. Place a buy order at 20% ATR above the highest high of the two candles. All right. So let's go back here. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do this math. All right. If you're not good with math, I'm about to show you. Now watch this. It's set up. This is July 11th. All right. So pretty simple. You can go to your Google box. Oh, I'm sorry. I forgot, you have to go down here. You see this, the highest of the high right here. So you look on the ATR, it says 94. All right, so you'll do, let me write this down for you. 20% times 94. And why is that in that color? You probably can't see that good. And we're going to make it bigger. 20% times 94. All right, let's go down here. 20% times 94. All right, and that's 18.8. So we'll just do it even 20. All right. Equals 20. All right. So let me show you a little trick I use. All right, let's go over here. And let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down. Come down here, look at price range. All right, this little tool right here under measurer. All right, price range. I hope I'm not going too fast for you guys. Click it right here and go up 20. And let's open this up some more. Let's open this up some more so you can see a little better. All right. And this for the daily time frame. So keep in mind, this is going to take a little bit because this is the daily time. So let's go 20. All right. So this is what you do. All right. Normally for me, I just draw a line right here. And then I'll place the long position tool right here. Now this is my buy stop. Let me see. Buy stop. And my buy stop is at this line, which is, let's see. Boom. And this is where my buy stop is at. As you can see, this is not market order. This is a buy stop. All right. And if you don't know what a buy stop is, it's a pending order. And what we'll do is let me know in the comment section if you want me to do another video over market or pending orders, market orders, things of that nature. All right. So we did it 20 pips up. Right. All right. So here we go. And let's go back over here. Let's bring our little tool up. Make sure y'all screenshot this, all right? Place a buy stop order at 20% ATR above the highest of the high of the two candles. Set a stop at 20% ATR from below the moving average. Trail your stop loss. So guess what? Get our handy dandy tool again. Right here at the top, where is it? Go 20% down, 20 points down. For that sake, I'm gonna just do it like this. Make sure it's at 20. All right, so you got 296 or 270, 273. All right, 273 pips. 273 pips. Now keep in mind, this is let me get that right. This is the daily time frame. So this might take 7 days, might take 14 days. All right. And let's see what we got. All right, let's go up. All right, you see it jumped us in on the next candle, but we in drawdown. It's okay. All right, look, boom, look at that. All right. Now, this is what it means why if you are currently 173 pips in profit. What it meant by, let's go back down, see what it says. Trail your stop loss using the moving average. All right, look at this. Let's move this out the way. All right, let's move this up. Now we up. All right, let's go up again. Let's keep going. You constantly trailing your stop loss up. All right. Now we at 2% risk. Look at that. You continue going up. All right. Now, a key thing for this, I can't do it right now because that's going to change. But go to Heiken Ashi, switch to Heiken Ashi, and you'll see you can stay in longer because it shows you a more valid trend. All right. Look at that. Now we up. At this point, look, at this point, you can probably bring this thing into profit. All right. Because right now, I can tell you right now, look where we at. We at 400 something pips. I can promise you, you can probably bring your stop loss up in here somewhere at this point right here, and you will be at about 218 pips in profit right there. 200 pips in profit. You get what I'm saying? So you came in July 12th, and currently we in July 24th, which is 10 days, and you at 200 pips in profit. You get what I'm saying? Trailing your stop loss. All right, look, it says, look at that. Look where this is at. See? All right, you right here. Hey, look, push it up some more. Push it up right here. All right. Or even push it up a little further up here. It's up to you. It's your risk tolerance. All right. See right here? Push it up a little more. That's fine. If you just see that red candle, push it up some more. Now guess what? We are at 419 in profit. We was 200 pips in profit. Now we 419 pips in profit. All right. Look where we at though. No, I'm sorry. We at currently 556 in profit. See what I'm saying? So hopefully I didn't go too fast for you guys, but I'm just showing you how this strategy works. All right. And let's back out of here and let's see what I mean by this, by the Heiken Ashi. All right. Soon as you saw this candle right here, let's make this diagonal line. That's where you would have got out. Let's go back over here. All right. You would have lost some money. I mean, unrealized profit. So you end up getting out with 466, all right, of total pips. Because once you got out right there, once you seen that reversal, not reversal, but change of character or whatever you want to call it, a change, not change of character, but change in Heiken Ashi candle, but potential small retracement, you want to get out right there. See, look, you got in. Look at this. This is all green. That stops the worrying and whatever you want to call it, the anxiousness of, oh, is it going to reverse? Is it going to reverse on me? No, because guess what? Once you in, if you continue to see green candles every day, and this changes every day, all right? It reverses, like every candle is one day, all right? So if every day you see this thing plot green, stay in it until you see it turn red, all right? You get what I'm saying? So in 10 days, you made 466 pips, all right? Around 11 days, you made 466 pips, stress-free. You get what I'm saying? All right, let's go back to the regular candles. All right, same thing with, let's go over here. Let's erase it. Screenshot this if you have to. Screenshot this in there if you have to, and then go from there. All right, same thing. Let's go over here. All right, look at this. Let's get rid of these news joints real quick. Get these out of here. All right, so you can see it broke down. All right, let's go. Let's see if we can find one. Excuse me. All right, let's try these two. It broke over the 20, underneath the 20. All right, we want a little more push than this, but we're gonna try it on this one. Want a little more push. 94. Let's see. 94. Same thing. All right. 20% times 94. Let's go over here. All right. And if you don't know, 20% is going to Google at the bottom times 94, and it'll give you the same thing. Pretty much is what we just had. All right. So let's go over to our handy dandy tool. Make sure you favorite it because it's up here. All right. Matter of fact, the lowest of the lowest right here. So we want 20. And we'll put a sell stop right there. Remember, it said place it at the lowest of the low or the highest of the high. So if you got two, whatever one is the highest is the one you plotted on. All right, then go up here. 20. Now, keep in mind this strategy. Sometimes you got to figure out if it's in consolidation mode or not. All right, that's on you to do your You got to do your support and resistance. All right, I'm giving you the basic strategy, and we'll go over support and resistance as well. All right, sell stop. All right, you want to make sure your one is right here, and then all right, so you want to do 151. So you want 150 for both of them. All right, here we go. Let's see when it breaks us in. All right, broke us in right there. Depending on your broker, you might be in, you might not be in. All right. Let's keep going. Now we in. So let's see. We got in May 8th. You know, it took us in, actually took us in May 9th. Retracement on Friday. Retracement on the 13th, that Monday. Retracement on the 14th. It got with your patience. It tested your patience. And now look, we are in profit about 150 something pips. Look here. All right, trail your stop up. All right, keep going. Look at that. Trail your stop up. All right, so we at 150 pips right here. You can take it or you can keep going. All right, remember. Let's see. You were in profit. Now remember, watch this. Red, red, red. Hey, you might get out right here. All right, or you could keep going. This next one, you might be like, okay, we back in it. If you've seen two of them, hey, look, I'm out. But look here. If you continued on, that portion is your patience, not mine. Okay? Let's keep going. We stop right here. Where we at? Let me see where. There it is, right there. Came up, but it still took you out right there. All right, you could have got out right there if you wanted to. All right, here we go. Look at that. Oh, why is it doing that? All right, look. Bring this up here. 13 pips. Stop loss. Keep going. Now look where we at. 212. Look at that. Look where this at right here. All right. Stop loss. Be right here. All right. We are potentially at about 90 pips. Now 100 pips from the entry. All right. Let's see where we at. Look, this is where you should be at right here. Your stop loss should be right here. This is pretty much where it probably took you out. You see this long candle? You getting out right here. I can promise you. All right. So that's about 212 pips. You lost some pips on there. That's the thing about this. You will lose some unrealized profit. All right. But the thing about it is you got 212 pips. All right. One lot is, you know what I'm saying, is $2,100. You know what I'm saying? You got in this, and hopefully you understand where this is going. Try this on every pair. Try this on every pair. All right. Look at this. Excuse me. Let's go to gold. Look at this. Look at this right here. Same thing. All right. Now you have to realize after this long move, you will have some consolidation. That's the thing about this stuff, guys. On the daily, if you look at it, look. Let me see. All right. Look, consolidate. Really? Consolidation. Look at that. Would you please? Consolidation. Look at that. Ugly, ugly, ugly. Look, boom, breakout. Breakout. You know what I'm saying? All right, let's go to the next one. Bitcoin. Same thing. Look right here. February broke out. All right, you can get some trades right here. You can get some of these right here. All right, These are small moves, but you can still get them. Because remember, this is the daily time frame. All right. Let's go back to the one. What pair was we on? My bad. Can't remember what pair we on. Oh well. All right. Same thing with this one. Let's get out of this. All right. Look right here. Let's go one more time. 1, 2. All right. Let's back this up. So we can go to ATR. I mean, what you call it? Use ATR and the SMA. All right. 77. Let's go over here. I know you was like, man, why we doing this math class? 20% times 77 equals, let's try this. Let's try this. What is 20% times 77? All right. That is 15.4. All right. So we'll do 15 or 16. It's up to you. It's your discretion. Your discretion. All right. So at this bottom portion right here, we'll do 16. Let's open this thing up so we can see it a little better. All right. Open this thing up. All right. And then we're going to go right here. 16. All right. This is a little further away from it, so we might not do 16. And this is something when it comes to back testing, because really normally I want them close as possible to here. So we might do 16 from here. All right, from that highest high. All right, because that is a little further away from the and that just come with me back testing. All right. And then let's go from 1 to do, because if we went all the way up here, that's almost 242. And to me, that'd be a little uncomfortable for me at that point. All right, we'll see. I just trade GC so I know how I can act sometimes. All right, here we go. And then, boom, look at that. And boom, look at that. 173. Now you will lose sometimes, but it's up to it's your risk tolerance. But okay, my bad, guys. For the sake of shits and giggles, let me go back here. Let me do it the right way, as per strategy says. All right, as per the strategy, let me move this. Put this up here. Put this right here. This would be a sell stop. Sell stop. Let me write that in for you guys in case you don't understand what I'm saying. Sell stop at let's see. Boom. So we can get it accurate. Copy. Sell stop. Boom, right here. All right, and we have a 261. Boom. All right, sell stop, and let's move this out the way. This was our formula. All right, let's go. Excuse me. 1, 2. Remember, they said always trail your stops with the ATR. Trail your stops with the ATR. It's up to you. Look, we on a daily time frame. We can continue going on. Oh, look at this. We can continue going on. All right, you at 400. Me personally, if I'm at 400 pips, I'm out. I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm out. At 400 pips, I'm gonna probably bring my stop all the way in profit, and then I'm gonna probably bring it up here somewhere. Up here at this is the entry. We at 257 pips from the entry. You see what I'm saying? Because no telling what it's gonna do from here. So if you look right here, that was 400 some pips. I'm gonna just be honest. At 400 pips, I'm out. See what I'm saying? Because you see how it came back up. But I like to get entries from up here, closer to the SMA as possible, so that way I can maximize more. You know, the strategy doesn't call for me getting in right here because this touched. But if you look, if you did get up from right here, that's 500 pips. But at the same time, we got 432. one lot is $4,200. See what I'm saying? So hopefully I broke that down well. And let me bring this back up. Where's my little handle? Oh man, hold up. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Let me do this again. Bring this in so that way you can see it, because it might have been on the other one. There we go. Let's move this out the way. And let me bring this up for you again. As we said. All right. Here we go. Daily chart trading strategy. Watch your risk. Ensure you backtest any market you wish to trade. All right. Two candle lows must plot completely above the moving average to give a trading signal, or to give you a trading signal. All right. Place a buy stop order at 20% ATR above the highs of the highest candle with of the two candles. The highs of the two candles. All right. Set your stop at 20% ATR from the below the moving average price. Trail your stop loss using the moving average. Here's the thing, guys. And I know some of you going like, man, did you use it on any other time frame? I'm gonna be honest with you. The higher the time frame, the more accurate it's gonna be. You get what I'm saying? Because if you're on a 5-minute time frame, you don't have time to do this type of thing, because this is a lot. This is a lot when it comes to, placing your buy stop, the ATR. Now, what I can say is this. Look at this. The 8-hour time frame, the 4-hour time frame. You could possibly do it on the 4-hour and the 8-hour time frame. Never tried it on the 1-hour time frame, so don't ask me. I'm gonna be honest with you. Don't ask me, because I haven't tried it on that. You know what I'm saying? Because just it moves a little faster. But if you do it on the 4-8 hour, me personally, anything over the 4-hour, I would do. But I've tested it out on the daily time frame. You get what I'm saying? Because look, all right, it just moves a lot better. You know what I'm saying? And the closer you are to the SMA, the better the trade. Look, it retested. All right, waited. Boom, look at that. Got in. Continue to go up. All right, get what I'm saying? All right, look here. It went through 1, 2, 3. Nope, we don't want that. Don't take these impulse candles. All right, I'm going to show you. These candles like this, leave it alone. Leave it alone. Leave it alone. Matter of fact, let me do this. Leave the impulse candles alone. Why? Because, wait a minute, where am I at? Why? Because it's just too far away. All right. We know this candle was 177 pips. I've never seen a candle go 177 pips, then go another 177 pips without retracing or doing something. See what I'm saying? So if you was to jump in here, you immediately in drawdown. Immediately in drawdown. Get what I'm saying? All right. These candles, see how it came? Touched it. If it's touching it, leave it alone. Leave it alone. Like, you see these candles? Not strong enough for me. You want these fat candles. All right. All right, and I gave you that on the other one. I just to show you on GC. All right, but look at this. You can take this one. Look at that one. This one went up 120 pips. That one went up 120 pips. This one is 60. All right. 120 pips. All right. I don't know what else to tell you. I can beat this dead horse over and over again. You get what I'm saying? I can beat this thing over and over again. All I'm telling you is just keep it simple. All right. If you found this video helpful, make sure you drop a comment below with your thoughts or questions about, this strategy. And as far as when it comes to trading, this is not day trading. This is more like swing trading. And I love to hear your experiences. If it's working for you, or if you're using it and you added or tweaked something, definitely let me know. Make sure you join the Telegram group. The link is in the description. All right. And make sure you check out my other videos on the channel. If you realize I go over this over and over and over, just to help you guys out, and I give you guys live examples of things that are going on in the market as far as trades. All right, and if you go over here, July winning trades on the daily. All right, look at this, July winning trades. All right, I had these marked up, but I unmarked them. Now look at that, 1, 2. All right, look at that, 1, 2. Look at that. This is ridiculous. 1, 2, boom. All right, these were all cryptocurrencies. All right, you get what I'm saying? So, with that being said, let me go over here. Come on, give me this. All right. Hopefully you understand, and let me bring this up one more time for you guys. Oops. Where is it at? I guess it's gone. All right, I guess because I didn't save it, but we're gonna do this. Let me break this out and put this back in here for you guys one more time. All right. Boom. Screenshot this, please. Screenshot this, please, or take a picture and put it up on your desk. All right, you'll be good to go. All right. Other than that, you guys have a good trading week.